guys, so today we are going to learn about prototyping. So what is prototyping in Figma? Directly delving into that like always. So what is prototyping in Figma? So for that, we'll first make a frame, and like always we'll just change the name of the frame to prototype. And for prototyping, you first thing that you have to do is currently you see you're in a design panel because the design is showing in bold. You just click on the prototype. On the right side, you will find all these three panels: inspect, prototype, and design. You have to go to prototype panel, and then you see there is a dot coming. So we'll be using the making use of this dot to start doing prototyping. So for that, we'll just make two frames for now, and I'll just give it different name: prototype one and prototype two. That's right. So currently, I will just do. I will go back to design panel once again, and then just give it a fill of red, and give it a fill of maybe a shade of a coral. So remember, whenever you have to do prototype, you have to again go to the prototype panel, and whenever you do want to do some design changes, and then you have to go to the design panel back again, do your changes, and come back to the prototype panel, and so the workflow works like that, most probably for beginners at least. Now, what you do is that what is our goal for that? I will discuss that. Our goal is that by clicking on this frame, you want to jump to this frame. So what you do is you click on this dot, and you see there is a arrow coming. Now what you do is that you go to this frame and just release your left mouse cursor, and you see now there are interaction details coming. For example, do you want to do this prototype on click, and what do you want to do on click? Do you want to navigate somewhere or open a lid? Those things are a little complex, so we'll be diving into it next video. For now, I'll just give it an instant animation and just close it. You see the arrow is still there. Now how do you see this prototype? For that, what you do is you go to the top right of the screen, and you see a display icon, and hovering on it shows you a present toolbar, tool icon, tooltip icon. So you click on that. I've already clicked it. It will be opening anytime. So now the prototyping panel has opened. Just click on it. Remember, we gave it a click trigger. So as soon as I click it, you see the frame is changed. So that's how the prototyping works. Thank you guys. I hope you understood. I know this was a short video, but still, I will be delving more deeper into the prototyping in the next videos. Thank you guys, and yes, like, share, and subscribe for sure.